Jain children, for today's class, multiplying by 7 we are going to do. You all are very well versed with 6 till 6 table. So, in 6 table we have learned, we know that in the multiplication properties there is a order property. So, in 6 table you have learned 6 sevens it is 42 till this so 7 into 6 is also 42. The order has changed, the product will not change. 7 6 to 42, but after that 7 into 7 you need to learn what is 7 into 7. 7 sevens 7 eights and 7 nines. Here it is given that if one example is given, there are bunches of books. Okay, how many bunches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 bunches, and in each bunch there are 7 books. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 7. 7 times 7 or 7 groups of 7 or 7 into 7 is one and the same. Okay, repeated addition of 7. How many? 7 times. You can write it in this way, that there are 7 groups of 7, or you can write 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, the answer is 49. So please, you will write it in your book. This is 49. In this way, you are going to do this 8 groups of 7, 9 groups of 7. You will do it on your own, and you will build the 7 times table. Okay, here see, just now we have seen the order property. 1 into 7 is 7. 7 into 1 is 7. Here the order has changed, but the product will not change. 7, here also 7, and this is also 7. But the order has changed, children. So 2 sevens it is 14. So 7 twos are 14. So in this way you are going to build the table of 7. Okay. Now coming to the next page, that is page number 72 and exercise 4a. First question is that there is an activity of 7 times table. Here what it has been done is the rows and columns are made, and where they are joining, the dots will be counted. This is 7 dots. One row that is 7. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. It goes on. Okay. Now this second question, A, 8 weeks is equal to how many days? We know that, children, 1 week need not to write in the book. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay. So 8 weeks is equal to how many days? So what you will going to do is 8 into 7. 8 sevens are, that is 56 days. 8 sevens are 56 days. Or you can do it 7 into 8, or also same. Okay, 7 eights are 56. In the same way, 9 weeks is equal to how many days? When 1 week is equal to 7 days, then 9 weeks is equal to 9 sevens or 7 nines, it is 63 days. Okay, 63 days. Now compare using greater than, smaller than and equal to sign here. So 7 into 7 and 50 is given. So 7 sevens it is 49 and it is 50. 49 is less than 50. So you will show the less than symbol here. And 7 sevens are 4. 7 sevens are and 7 twos are. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 4. 14. So 49 is greater than 14. Now here 0 into 7, children. We have in the properties only we have learned that any number multiplied with 0, the product will be 0. So 0 and 7, when you compare, 0 is smaller than 7. 7 plus 7 and 7 into 7. Don't get confused here. This is plus. So when you are adding 7 plus 7, it will become 14. And when the same 7s are multiplied, you will get 49. Okay. So 14 is less than 49. Here 7 ones are 7 and 7. So 7 ones are 7 and this is 7. So it is equal to sign. Okay. Now coming to the question number 4a, 29 multiplied by 7. 7 nines are 63. So when you are getting 7 into 9 is 63. Please do not write all this rough work in the book. So in 3, this is ones place, you will write down under the ones place, and this tens 60 means 6 you will carry to the tens place. Now 7 will be multiplied with 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 into 2, it is 14. And how much you have carried to the tens place? That is 6. You will add that. Add 14 plus 6, it is 20. So please write down, it is 20. So 203 is your product. In the same way, you will multiply this one also. 7 8s are 63. Okay, 3 and sorry children, this is 56, 6 and you are going to write 5 here. 7 nines are now 63 plus 5. 63 plus 5 is 68. Okay. Now 7 sevens are 49. 9 and 4. Now 7 fours are 28 plus 4, that is 32. 329. 329. In this way you are going to answer and do the classwork. And this word problems video has been made and it will be sent to you. Okay. Thank you children.